Nice.
Oh, $125.
Nice.
Hey guys, we are at Cosmopolitan Las Vegas. We're gonna try some Magic Pearl. It's got a maxed out major of $1,000.
You know my baby likes it.
Yes, we know I like that maxed out major. All right, let's go, babe. I'm letting Jamie take the helm because I don't have a tripod, so I'm just gonna hold the camera, and he is going to do the spinning. It's a little something. Come on, come on.
No, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
So we established that 375,
375, 625.
All right, and then drop it.
Yes.
If you haven't seen that episode, that's hilarious.
There we go, 375 bet. You get 6 free games. And we want that big green major right in the center. We don't want dead spins.
Come
No.
on, no dead spins.
Oh, I thought that 37 was going to come.
This has got it to the end. Tens are cheap. Come on, Pearl. Nines and tens are cheap.
Not bad, though.
50 bucks.
Oh, 2 of them passed.
2 swam by.
Oh, come on, come on.
Alright, so 10 cents.
Oh, come on. Oh, he bounced up.
He swam up.
He swam up. Maybe he jumped up.
12.50 bucks.
Oh, man. Car should go down to $2.50 and you get it.
How it works.
$12.50, nothing. $2.50. Sure, why not?
Well, hopefully it remembered the $12.50. I guess it did.
Look, I'm gonna hit the 25 and make it like, oh look, she's betting $25. Oh, I saw it. I saw it. Come on, Pearl. You know I love you. That's okay. At least we got one $25 one.
Thank you.
All right, we're ahead of the game, so you know. Hey, I think it would be fun if you go to the penny and then, well, don't. Oh, there we go. Never mind. I was gonna say let's cycle through like every single bet, other than like the minimum.
As long as we start doing like small, big.
Okay.
Small, big.
All right. We keep trying to find different things to entertain ourselves.
All right. $10, I mean, $5.
Yeah, I wish.
It owes us.
Come on, buddy.
Wow.
Wilds. Oh, they passed.
Nothing. Look at that.
Well, it's something.
No, I'm talking about nothing lined up.
That was $33.
Ah, fish. Nice.
Oh, $125.
Nice.
Thumbs up, guys. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.
Oh, we need a green.
50
Nice,
bucks.
Nice.
Wow, 250
Holy
and 20. So that was a
crackers.
$270 spin. Come on.
Nice.
Another $100.
See, I did remember that 12.
If we get that major now, it's a hand pay.
Yeah. Come on.
We've still got more spins to go.
Nice.
Very nice. That's what, 575, 45,
I
something
don't
like
do
that.
casino
I don't know.
math. Did you see that episode? I don't do casino math.
545.
Hold on. I gotta sit down with my kids.
All right. Let's do that again. Do it again.
Oh, oh, we had another one.
Do it again. Do it again.
Usually, what happens?
Come on, come on. Oh, yeah. After you get a big one, a lot of times, it's nothing else.
580 bucks.
Wow, we've doubled up. Okay, let's go down to 1,000,
And it'd be a double
or
up,
we're going to go up to 2,000.
1,500. Oh, yeah, 2,000.
Because we want that major.
Okay,
So,
you're
come
right.
on. Nice. It's like 10 cents.
Yeah, it is. 30 bucks. No, thank you. All right, let's go down.
The 5 cents, yeah, was doing well.
All right. $6.25 and $12.50.
Oh, that would have been freaking awesome. That was 520.
right here.
Yeah,
525
525.
right there.
Holy moly.
All right, let's try that again. Oh, look how the
All of
dolphins
them,
swam.
yeah. 2 other ones passed.
$6.25. Wait a minute, that was $3.75.
That was $3.75.
Leave me alone.
Oh, my
All right, here we go.
baby.
$12.50.
Come on, come on, come on.
Let's try it again. $2.50.
Why don't we just keep trying until it works? Let's just keep doing it, baby.
$3.75. $6.25. All right, here we go, you guys. You ready? $12.50. All right, try again.
Come on.
Oh, come on. $6.50.
It's not even teasing
I mean,
anymore, huh?
$6.25.
Oh, baby.
Oh, my goodness.
Come
All
on.
right, here we
I'm
go.
gonna
Come
make
on.
a sign for you. I don't know if it likes 5 cents anymore.
All right, well, we got $12.50 left. What do you do? One more. Let's do some. Let's do some. Let's see if it's got something left.
Okay.
Do a $7.50 bet.
Sure.
1,000 even. Ready? All right.
All right, guys.
Hey guys, you know what? That's an awesome double up.
Yep. Double up and out. That's what we're doing. $500 win. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.